Hello guys! Good morning, good morning. Kumusta kayo, all my friends? How are you, all my friends around the world? Long time no see again. I haven't have so many videos new one, but I have about last 3 years, 4 years all my videos. So anyhow, today I went for shopping, bought my new boots. But today, because this is working boots, this is what I'm wearing to go to work. This one, so that's what I have by today. They're still brand new. Wala na kasi magawa. So, you know, in the weekend, I always want to buy something. My husband, he is so spoiled me. He buy me a lot of things that whatever I want. And that it should be. Dapat ganon. Ang asawa kailangan talaga ay spoiled. Your wife, you must to spoil. The woman have to be spoiled. The woman have to be the princess in the house. Right, so that's what my husband does. Always buy something for me. Every weekend we're going somewhere. Palagi kami umaalis ng asawa ko. So ayan, mura lang naman ito. Pero kung sa Pilipinas, mahal na ito. Ito yung pantrabaho namin. Pantrabaho ko nga pala. At saka, and then, my husband bought me this jeans Levi. Because I have lost weight. I used to be a size 12. I lost weight. Now, I'm only 10. So, I used to be 70, sorry, pardon me, 73 kilos. I'm down to 59 kilos. So, not bad, huh? So, yes, I have to buy a new pants. Yeah. So, medyo may kamahalan ito kasi is jeans Levi. Pero kaya naman ng ng wallet. Even those my husband will say no money, but for me, when I say something, honey, I want to buy something, he will buy for me because my husband is good. So this is another one. A new pants. That one there. Size 9. It's so yeah, size 9. Because I lost a lot of weight. Nag-lose ako. Ang laki ng nilos ko. 73 kilos ako. I 59, 58. Up and down. Ngayon, nag-up and down na lang ako. So, kaya ayun, namimili ako ng mga ibang mga gamit, pantalon. So, yun lang update ko sa inyo. Please guys, if you see this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Love you all.